This is the indoor dryer vent kit that I bought from Amazon. So I want to try this and see how it works. So it has, it's supposed to trap lint when outdoor venting is not possible. It includes aluminum foil duct, that's what you see right now, and it includes the mounting ring for easy installation. So you can put it on the floor or mount it if you want. But those are the contents of the box. So it's 4 inches by 5. So all you need to do is put water at least halfway, and then cover it up, and then connect the foil duct to the dryer, and then connect the other side to the dryer vent kit. So it took a little bit to get that locked in, because you'd have to just make sure it snaps in, so you have that secured. And then the foil duct is the standard for all dryers, so it would be easy. So basically, if you want to mount it, you can use that ring. For now, I'm placing it on the floor. So it's gonna take a little bit to connect that. So you it has like the strap to tighten that once you've connected that to the vent kit. So you just have to make sure that it's connected and it's snapped in, and then you can just tighten that up. It's already tightened, but you have to just snap it in. So this dryer vent kit it's not used for gas dryers, only for electric dryers. So here you can see I'm trying to just fit it in, and then once you've connected that, that's the plastic snap. You need to just tighten it. You can loosen it back, but just to hold it, because you'll have to empty and change the water every after drying. So that's when I already connected it. It took a little bit, so you'd have to make sure that you connect it well at the back of the dryer. But you can hear that sound and you see the dust coming. That's how it works. You can update once it's been a couple of months to see how it changes. But basically, it just traps in the lint, and it actually gives off cold air. So, and then that's I just have it for a couple of minutes, but that's the dust that came through from that dryer.